Hey guys, come on in, come on in, come on in. I'm so excited to show you Cricut's brand new infusible ink colors. I have some gorgeous colors here, and the most exciting part is that they are now available on shop.cricut.com. If you shop through my affiliate link at the top of this post, you will be supporting my channels and my groups, and you will also save 10% and get free shipping if you spend $50 and use code Holli10. So say hello as you come in. I want to see your faces and make sure I can read your comments and answer any questions that you have. I'm so excited about this because since Infusible Ink has launched, it's only been available at Michaels.com. Well, my closest Michaels, which I totally love Michaels, but it's an hour and a half away. So it was a little inconvenient for me to have to travel. Hey Chrissy, but I would totally do it for this infusible ink because it is so neat. If you have not heard of infusible ink, please drop me a comment about that because I do need to link that video, that initial video from the infusible ink launch. Good morning everybody. I'm so excited to show you what they've done. So you have a lot of single colors, and the colors that they have are so beautiful. They're so beautiful. So let me just go ahead and start showing you some of these. I'm also going to put this on YouTube, and there's going to be a giveaway. I have like 1,000 giveaways going on right now, but October is my favorite month, and I want to celebrate that with you by giving you stuff, because you craft all year long, and here we are at my favorite holidays, and so I want to give back to you what you give to me daily. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload this video onto the YouTube video. You just need to switch to YouTube once that has loaded. Leave me a comment on the YouTube video, and on Friday I will pick a random name to receive one of these infusible ink boxes. So let's go ahead and get started with these colors. Good morning, good morning. This one is lilac, and this one is one of my favorite colors because if you take a peek around my studio, you will see that everything in here has some shade of lilac. Not just any purple, but this lilac. It is absolutely beautiful. And then there's a true yellow. And like I said, what I love about these so much is that you get these you get, let's see how many exactly, 2 sheets of 12 by 12 of the pure colors. Then there's a tangerine. And what's so fun is that these are new. Some of these are new that were not released in the first launch. They are with the new launch on shop.cricut.com. And so this one is called Wild Aster. This one might actually be my favorite. I don't know. But you can see that it's a little bit different, but these colors go perfectly together, don't you think? Okay, this one is called Bright Teal. Love this one. And then I'll get into the patterns once I get through showing you some of the pure colors. So this one, you guys are going to, you're not going to believe this one. Look how bright and vivid, and I cannot wait to see this pressed on something. But this one is Party Pink. Oh my gosh, it is so bright and so beautiful. I love this color. It is perfect for my girls. Oh my goodness. And also, I just want to throw this really quick out there. If you did get the new Easy Press Mini, if you put it on the 3rd heat setting that goes up to 400 degrees, you can use your Easy Press Mini with your infusible ink. So you get this grayish. It's not just gray, it's grayish. And I know that some of the wording may be backwards to you guys, and I'm sorry about that, but that's just the beauty of going live with these cameras. This color Mint, this is also a staple for me. So like this whole scheme right here, this is my studio. Look how beautiful these colors are together. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, then let me get to some of the others. There's just a few more. There's one, this one is Suntan. It's a really pretty brown. Then these two are similar but different. There's avocado, and then there's tennis ball. So this one's more of a neon color, and this one's more of a, well, it's avocado. It's just really well named. Okay, then there's sky blue, and this is the last, yep, this is the last of the solid colors. The sky blue is absolutely beautiful too. So pretty. Okay, so those are the, and look how many I have right here. Look at all these colors and how beautiful they are, you guys. I'm gonna drop them. Yep, there we go. Okay, I dropped them into a safe place. Don't worry. Okay, this one I think is actually sold out online. I was checking it this morning. But don't be discouraged because they should come back in stock. This one is pink lemonade. And look how pretty these colors are. Okay, so on these you get 2 sheets of 12 by 12. But some of these transfer boxes, you get 4 transferred sheets. So just pay attention to what you're ordering, and you may be getting more than 2. So this one is pink lemonade, and I love it because it has like a water splash color, and then it has, this is not exactly solid. This has kind of an ombre too, and they really complement each other well. Each one in the pack is going to complement the other. So this is Distressed Rustic Patterns. These are perfect for your fall projects. These are perfect for your pumpkins, for your welcome and come in and hello their pumpkin projects, because they are already distressed. And look at that pattern. Y'all, smash the heart button if you love the rustic patterns. So you get a brown, I would call that almost an avocado. You get, it's kind of an orange, and then a red. Is that not beautiful? And I love these rustic patterns. Okay, moving along. That's already one box. Y'all, there's so many. So pretty. Okay, this one is called Patterns Windbreaker, and this is throwing you back to the 1990s. But this is going to be so much fun to work with. This is 4 sheets, so you can see kind of where it breaks up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these are so much fun. This is going to be a really fun one to work with. And this one is Water Windbreaker. Windbreaker. Throwing me back. All right. This is another really pretty one for the fall. This is Patina. And for the fall, I said. I'm trying to join my colors together because I'm so excited. But look how pretty these are. So it starts out like a brown, and then it comes into a lot of teal. Doug, no, that's not your infusible ink. And then it gets really dark. This one reminds me of, I don't know. What do you think that this reminds you guys of? It's called Patina. And it comes with 2 sheets of 12 by 12. And these do come with butcher sheets with them. So you know that when you're using infusible ink, you can't use parchment paper. You can't use Teflon sheets because those do have traces of silicone in them. So it comes with the butcher sheets that you need. This one is so cute. It is patterns. This one is Camping Out. You get 4 sheets. So you get the marshmallows. Look how cute. You get another version of the buffalo plaid. You get the trees and logs, and this is a gorgeous green color. And then you get the camping pattern. So this is perfect. I love this. This is so cute. I need a little boy, y'all. I need a little boy so bad. Okay, so there's two different galaxies. So this one is called Midnight Sky, and this one is called Galaxy. The Midnight Sky has more brighter purples in it. And let's start with that one. So this one is Midnight Sky. And these are so beautiful. Once you cut these and you weed your design away from them, oh my gosh, they are amazing. Absolutely amazing. And then this one is called, this is Galaxy, and it's more kind of like more Northern Lights, but it's like actually Galaxy. But it has more Northern Lights colors to it, if that makes sense to you. So see the Galaxy part at the bottom, this one, the Midnight Sky has more purple in it, and that's the difference. This one has more black. Just a couple more to show you here of what I have had to play with and sneak peek. This one is Cosmic Patterns, and these just have the dots. There's 2 in here. There's gray and a navy blue, and I love the textures because you will see these textures once you press these. They're not just for show on the box. You will actually see those when you press. And then the last one, it is so pretty. This one is Bright Bow Gems. Doug. Oh, my dog, y'all. Look at these gems, how pretty. So this is a green, a red gem, a red solid, and then a green jewel gem. And it looks like the green is going to have an ombre too. See how it changes colors? And the red too. It's more purple up here, and then it goes down into the red. Oh yes. So I would love to know which one is your favorite, which one you are buying today, which one you have to have. I'm going to take this video, upload it onto YouTube. If you're watching on YouTube, I'm live in my Cricut Craft Life group on Facebook. You can find us just by searching Cricut Craft Life. You do not have to own a Cricut to join us. We love all crafters of all kinds. So on YouTube, if you will leave a comment, I will draw a lucky winner to get your choice of whatever you would like to have here. And we will announce that on Friday night. So thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you soon.